Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav from the actual system, not the Apple CarPlay. So you've got a little arrow here with north. We'll click that. That brings up your sat nav here. You've got menu and so on. If I click menu, you've got my destinations, points of interest, search, enter address, guidance criteria, route and waypoints, but we want enter address. So there we go. We are, that's saying city at the moment, but I'm going to try postcode. So what we need to do is we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR. We need to go to numbers now. So we'll click there, that takes it to numbers. 5, 4. We need to go back to the alphabet. It's bringing up suggested postcodes here, but we'll finish it off. EA. PR5, 4EA, that's it. Now you can click OK there. So, OK. Asking me for a number. There's no number, so just OK again. Got to agree, OK, that we're not going to be distracted by, you know, that message. That's it. That's how you do it.